Hi all, let me begin by offering my best wishes to all of you in the upcoming UPSC Civil Preliminary Examination on 16th June. I would like to briefly tell you about the few do's and don'ts that you have to remember. First and foremost, what you must remember is that the cutoff in the prelims GS paper 1 last year was only around 38 questions. So make sure that you are not attempting too many questions. It can lead to unnecessarily many wrong answers, which ultimately can come in the way of your clearing a prelims examination. Second, make sure that your CSAT is very strong. In the next few days, if it is possible, do at least 1 or 2 CSAT full length tests, because last year maximum number of students have failed only in the CSAT, because of which the cutoff had come down to such ridiculously low levels. Next, focus on your core areas. As I said, 38 questions: polity, economy, modern history, international relations, governance schemes, and other current events, and little bit of geography and environment. Then you can easily clear this examination. Don't panic in the examination hall. You keep your cool presence of mind, because ultimately it is the presence of mind that gives you peace of mind, which can make you successful in the examination hall. Don't worry even if you are not able to answer few questions continuously also, because do remember that you don't have to answer all the questions. And CSAT, again focus on your core areas. If you are good with your comprehension, focus on that one. If you are good with your mathematics and data interpretation, again do those things. Again, make sure that in CSAT you are crossing at least 75 marks, so that your chances of clearing the prelims can be very, very high. Once again, best of luck. Thank you.